Hello friends, this is the Khelif A&C bamboo cutlery set. It have two spoons, two knives and one linen pouch, two forks, two knives, and then this is the linen pouch that comes with it. And you can see this is a cotton pouch which can hold all the cutlery set. This is good for the travel and all other things. Let me just open and show it to you. So this have all this sets. So let me just take out everything. So this is the fork. You can see like the quality. This is the solid wood, and made for the precision wood and cut. So two forks. It's not like a cheap wood thing or easily breakable thing. This is good quality forks. And then this is the spoon. This is solid wood. So the second spoon, and there are the two knives. You can see the sharpness of the knives here. This is really good, easy to handle, easy to hold and use. This is the second knife. So all quality is good, and then this all come in a travel pouch that's easy to handle as well, easy to clean, easy to use, solid wood. Nice product. So this all comes under this pouch so that you can just take it and then is easy to travel.